Hey glam dolls, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ashley. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on my video. And I post every Wednesday and Saturday. All my social media is down below, and of course all the makeup I use will be in the description. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do the InstaCeption makeup tutorial or InstaCeption trend that's going around on Instagram. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that challenge today. I'm so excited. I don't know if there's any videos, YouTube videos out there for it. I've only seen pictures, so I don't know how they're doing it. It looks like they're just drawing it on and then like pasting their Instagram name above their like eye. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So let's just get right into this video. Alright, so we're just gonna get right into it. I am not gonna do like any foundation or the rest of my face because I believe that's the point of the video, of the picture. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Ooh, too close, girl. Of course, like I told you before, I'm always breaking out. Always. Because I always pick at it and I don't know why I do that. I don't know why. But I'm just gonna let it go this time and I'm not gonna pick at them. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our eyebrows, and so of course we're gonna go in with Anastasia because that's what I do. So yes, I don't know how long this video is gonna be because I just want to have fun with it. Alright, so next we're gonna carve it out with concealer and then just conceal my eyebrow and my eye. I'm just gonna blend that out because that was a lot. So I have no idea, by the way, what I'm doing for my eye look, but I really want to use this color, this color, this color, or this color. I don't know though. I don't know what I want to do. So we'll go in with Silk Cream. So I want to make this a super fun, colorful look, so that's why I wanted to go in with those colors. I have never gone in with those colors, and those are the colors that I have really wanted to use, and I've never used them. So we're going to go in with them today. And one of my friends got her Morphe vault today, so I'm excited to get mine. That means mine has to be coming soon. It just has to be. I can't wait. I'm gonna be doing some videos with that one. I'm sure you guys know. So what I get from this like tutorial is like, this is like what Instagram sees, and then this is like you, like, you know, and yeah, so just like, you know, what you're portraying online and what people portray online, that everything's so perfect, and but like it's not, like, and I'm glad there's people out there that are starting to talk about, you know, serious subjects like depression and anxiety, and because there's way more people that go through it than that don't go through it. I feel like you feel like you're so alone, but you're not. And I'm just glad that that is like starting to be talked about because it really needed to be talked about. But this color is bomb. It's like the orangish color in the palette. It's so pretty. I could blend it forever. I love blending. I think I'm going to do the teal fading into the dark blue. So I'm gonna spritz this little brush so I can get it in really tight and it's like wet. And I use setting spray is what I used. So we'll go in. And if you have hooded eyes, you just go up a little bit higher and kind of create your own crease. Yes. All right, then next we're gonna go in with the blue. I'm gonna spray it again. And same thing, we're just gonna follow our crease line. We're gonna go in with this brush since it's a little bit of a bigger area that I need. I'm gonna go up a little bit higher on the blue and I'm gonna go back in this small, tiny little brush. And then we're gonna bring the teal color over a little bit more. And then we're gonna take this very small little detailed brush and we're gonna go in with that orangish color so we can blend these two together. I'm gonna go ahead and like get into the blue and like bring it up a little bit. Just blending it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my under eye and then we'll do the foundation around. I'm not too sure how we're gonna do this. I think I'll outline it in white, we'll see. Okay, then we're gonna put powder down to set it. Go ahead and dust our eye. And the under eye will go in with that orangish color. And then in the beginning, we'll go with the green. So I kind of just mimicked what was on the top onto the bottom. Then we're gonna go in with, so I have two eyeliners. Or two eyeliners that I want to use. These two. I think I'll use the teal in the front. And then I'll use a deeper one in the back, in the back corner. So I am going to go ahead and we're gonna pop this, and the front of our eye. Then we'll do eyeliner. Alright, that's just what it's gonna be because I can't get eyeliner down. Next we'll do lashes. I got these just little dollar lashes at obviously the dollar store. And while my eyelash dries, we're gonna do the Instagram part of the face. So let's add like blush and stuff. Highlights. Oh, my phone totally cut out because my storage was full. So I had to handle that real fast. So next we're just gonna go ahead and draw on the Instagram part. Let's try and put this on. Okay, I think I got it and it looks like it's really on there. Okay, so we're gonna finish up the white eyeliner. I don't know how big this picture is supposed to be. That's the best I got, y'all. So I'm gonna use this little eyeliner and do it that way. There's a heart and so I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the final look. I think I did pretty good, like considering like I haven't done anything crazy like this before. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below and tag me in any of my social medias if you guys have done this look before, or if you guys have tried this trend before. And then go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.